Hello everyone, I am Anmol Luthra here to present my video presentation on topic major barriers to communication in a classroom scenario and how to control them. Barriers to effective communication in classroom scenario. Perception barriers, oral barriers, cultural barriers, listening barriers, language barriers, mundane teaching. First, perception barriers. Perception may be a barriers to effective communication in the classroom. Different people may receive and hear the same message but interpret it differently. Paying attention to detail it is also important. Important aspect can be missed by not covering a subject in depth. A teacher should also learn to focus on both positive and negative aspect of a conversation. Second, oral barriers. Communication barriers in the classroom may exist if oral communication is not clear. Communication only occurs when the listeners hears and understand your message in the way you mean for it to be received. Some problems in oral communication include using words with ambiguous meaning. The teacher must make sure the students clearly understand the meaning of words. Another problem in oral communication is using generalization and stereotypes. Classroom communication should be specific to the topic and without bias. Cultural barriers. Cultural differences can be a barriers to effective communication in the classroom. It is possible for a both teacher and a student to have predisposed ideas about behavior based on what the other person culture is. Messages are often misunderstood if they are delivered in a way that is unfamiliar to the student culture. It is important to dispel assumptions or biases based on cultural differences in a classroom. Listening barriers. Effective listening is one of the most important factor in classroom communication. Take the time to listen to what the other person is saying. When someone is speaking, you should not be thinking of your next response. Negative emotions may occur when certain words or body language is used. A teacher must also take care to keep emotional reactions to a minimum and focus on what the speaker is saying. Outside noise such as telephone, email, or construction noise can be sometimes make listening difficult. Language barriers. Language is a barrier top the list of factors that affect communication. Communication in the classroom. Lack of common language to talk deviates the teaching methodology from its main aim and objectives and affect learning outcomes in students. Mundane teaching. One of the barriers to effective learning in school, colleges, and higher education institutions is the practice of mundane blackboard and chalk teaching. This strategy, where educators encourage the students to listen to lectures and note down the text from the blackboard, not only weakens the later confidence and interest in education but also affects the student teacher communication. Measures to overcome communication barriers in a classroom scenario. The teacher do to improve the communication with students. First, encourage all talks but particularly talk about positive aspect of learning including what was good about good work. Persuade students that communication is helpful to their learning. Help students to develop productive ways both of asking for help and responding to help that was given. The underlying message in communication from students and avoid making unwanted assumptions about the motives behind their queries. Abandoning QA session at the end of class period. Teachers who abandon the QA session at the end of class period leave students in a state of confusion. Students tend to learn when education is interactive and fun. Interactive questions and answers activity reduces the barrier of communication in classroom teaching, thereby engaging students in the classroom and encouraging active learnings. Mundane teaching. One of the ways to overcome this barriers to effective communication in the implementation of smart technology and added in classroom. Smart interactive whiteboard tech supplies teachers with robust and innovative tools to teach in real time with PPTs, audio and video presentations, virtual realities, 3D and 2D animations, etc. Language barriers. Overcoming language barriers in a classroom requires educators to speak or have a basic level of understanding of a common dialect of students and locality. Not only does occasionally communicating in the vernacular allow the teacher to teach better and develop good speaking skills, but it also increases student teaching bond and relationships. Listening barriers. To improve your listening skills, you must pay attention to the other person. If you are in a meeting, turn your chair towards her, sit up straight and relax your shoulders. If you are talking on the phone, turn away from the computer and other distractions. Try repeating what the other person says mentally to reinforce her message and maintain focus. Acknowledge the message with verbal and non-verbal cues such as nodding, asking occasionally questions, and making comments when she pauses. Develop empathy by asking yourself, how would I feel if I were that person? This makes her feel heard and helps you figure out the best response to her message. Thank you.